Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in my daily job shop and we're going to be working on a 2007 Chevy Trail Blazer. She's got a bad left front wheel hub. This is actually my mama bear's ride. She's had it for years. It's in remarkably good condition for being in the rust belt, so figured I'm going to be working on it. Might as well bring y'all along for the ride and y'all can keep me company. So let's get her up in the air and we'll start tearing this thing apart and getting her fixed. Alright y'all, got it up on the lift. First thing we need to do is get the tire and the wheel off here. We need to pull the brake caliper, the rotor, disconnect the ABS wires, all that kind of stuff. And it's really boring, but we're going to use YouTube magic and we're going to get this off here. So a little bit of magic and alright y'all, I got everything taken off here. I actually got the bolts taken out of the back side. There's 3 of them. Then I used my air hammer, little ugga-dugga gun here thing, hit it here on each side, got it to rotate a little bit, and now she's ready to come off there. So let me grab a prying device and see if we can get this thing to pop out of there. She's being a bugger. Let me grab another second prying device here. Try not to mess up the dust shield from the back side there, so trying to be a little bit ginger. This one corner just does not want to come out. You know why that would be? I didn't finish taking the bolt out of the back side. Duh. So, alright, we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all. It's amazing how much easier these things come out when you take all the bolts out of it. So, alright, I'm going to get this area in here cleaned up a little bit with a little bit of a die grinder. Not trying to take any real metal out of it, just wanting to clean up the rust. So, yep, I think it was bad. So, alright, let me get this cleaned up and we'll bring y'all back to reassemble. Alright, this is how I do it. This little burr bit, just real lightly. I'll clean up the face of this here too. So yeah, just if you're gonna do this, be real careful. Just use it to knock it loose. You're not trying, like I said, you're not trying to take any metal off of it. You're just trying to get them rust particles and stuff out so the new one will slide in there nice and easy. So let me finish cleaning this up here and we'll get the new one over here and get it installed. Alright y'all, got that surface all cleaned up, all the other stuff cleaned up. This ain't for lubrication, this is flood film, just to try to help maybe keep her from rusting up too bad. This thing's only got like 160,000 miles on it. It's 2007. She don't drive it a whole lot, so alright. Get that back up through there. Get that on there like that. Give us our So we're going to drop this down through, drop our wire down through. Get that all lined up and on there. Slid on the shaft. Back in the hole she went. Grab a bolt. Go on the back side here. Get everything all lined up. There's that. That one's lined up. Now there is a torque spec on these. I don't know what it is right offhand for this vehicle, but you'll have to look it up for your specific vehicle. So, all right. I'm going to go ahead and put them other 3 bolts in there and get her all tightened up. We'll start buttoning it back up. Alright y'all, we got her all back together. Got the brake hub mounted, got the caliper, rotor mounted, caliper mounted. Everything's tight and ready to go. I did have to go get another hub. The hub that I bought had a bad thread in it. Where one of the mounting bolts, so I got the bolts straightened out, but not the hub. So it is what it is. So, well, all right, y'all. That's gonna do it. It's gonna be a short video, I guess. It's just part of what I do on a daily basis and stuff. So, I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if you learned anything or not, but just it's what I do. So. Appreciate it. Like y'all. Love y'all. If you would, please hit that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And we'll catch you all on the next one.